What up? We are back here for part 2.
Hello. There's a cave back there.
There's a cave back there? Lift up this big old rock with this little bitty salamander in the center. He's just chilling.
Ain't that a cutie?
Getting our workout in today, boy. Who needs a gym membership when you're a herper? That's crazy, little bitty baby slimy.
Under a rock we flipped earlier.
Yeah, and there was nothing under there. Oh, they are springy.
Okay, keep.
We are on our way to the secret pond right now, and a couple other spots where we know there's more salamanders, potentially some good northerns. And then as I'm stepping, I almost step on this little guy, which I'm going to.
And he's gone.
Never mind. Okay, so we didn't get a male baby on film, so if you guys notice, right
Underneath his
chin right there, that blue's starting to come in. So that's crazy. It doesn't like automatically come out like that. It's like starts at a young age and they just kind of.
So all the little ones we've been finding were female.
Maybe, I don't know. They were kind of brown and.
The fence lizard trick
You can kind of
works.
see
a little bit coming
of
in.
blue.
That's awesome.
Yeah, he's just asleep.
Boop, boop, boop.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, we'll let him back down.
Yep. Alright, so we got one right here.
If you look close.
And it looks like he's doing push-ups.
He's doing push-ups because that's their territorial position.
Yeah, he's got to get those muscles big and bulky so he can defend off the other males.
Exactly.
Oh, there's another one.
That's why he was doing push-ups.
That's why he was actually trying to defend his territory from this little one, which I don't know where he went to. But
oh, there he is. That's a race runner.
That's a race runner?
Yeah.
Oh, he's doing push-ups too.
We're all out here getting gains.
That's a race runner?
Yeah.
Oh my
You
gosh.
can see the stripe on the side. I'm gonna try to go get him.
Oh, no you're not.
Okay. I think he's gonna go.
Got another fence lizard. These guys are everywhere today. It's ridiculous. I guess I'm gonna try to catch him.
That's a male.
It's another beautiful male. You got him.
Look at that blue.
Really
Beautiful male. Okay, I'm gonna. No. Got him again. No!
Lucas likes lizards. Hence the name of his channel. Lucas says lizards.
Got him.
Oh wow.
Look at that coloring. Yeah, fence lizard.
Got him.
This guy took so long to get.
Let me get him in the sun right here. Yeah, it's a male little fence lizard.
Oh my gosh, Amanda, come here.
This took so long to get.
Yeah, he's got. They do that for the to attract the females. And they'll actually puff that out real big, and then they'll actually looks like they're doing push-ups. And they do that for being territorial too. We just saw one. There's a little race runner lizard over there, and they were both just like
Doing push-ups.
no push-up contest.
What's the top of that? Just black.
Yeah, they're.
But they have a little trick where if you
leave them on their backs.
actually puts them in like a little trance, and they just kind of go to sleep.
Yeah.
Broad?
Those are broad-headed.
Broad-headed skinks.
We haven't got those on the channel yet. I think I could get them out. Here,
Make sure he just doesn't go this way.
I can see him. I see him. I need a stick.
You always need. You should just carry around a stick all the time. Unless they found like a little trail.
Light.
I wonder if this is,
Is it hollow?
no, it's solid, it's solid.
Well, still.
At least we saw him.
Right?
Is the 5-line skink.
That's what we got under this rock, and then he went under this rock.
Yeah.
But look at that blue, though. That is awesome. Let me see if I can get focus.
He's gonna bite.
You gonna bite me?
Yep.
Oh, wow. You got a bite, dude. You got a bite.
They're so slippery.
See a big one?
No.
No?
Not at all.
The baby? Where's he at? Oh, wow.
Little baby slimy.
That is so small.
That's what she said.
I'm sorry.
No, that's a slimy.
1, 2 slimies, and then that's not a slimy.
What do you think? Ravine, dusky?
I have no idea. Anybody else saw 'em? Wow. 3 of them in one flip. That's pretty good.
Yeah. Not as good as a 5, but
no.
still. Nice.
Nobody down there?
Nobody down there. It's a big grub and a bunch of ants, but
Really cool. Another baby slimy. These guys are freaking everywhere. It's a skink.
Of course it is. Where is it?
Oh, I see it. So it's not the case.
it looked like one from where I was standing.
Just a skink. False alarm.
But skinks are a good catch too.
Yeah.
Okay. Drop it. I'm gonna get them from this side.
Skink.
Skink.
Got him.
Nice. Oh, this one's
No.
lost a bit of tail.
A little bit. Little bit. They are so pretty.
I love the blue.
So pretty.
You know, I saw a pet store trying to sell one of these guys as a blue tongue skink once.
Oh my God, I believe it.
I've never had one poop on me.
Oh, there's your first. Did he fall?
No, he's just kind of hanging.
Oh, wow. Just to show you how great their claws are.
there. And then he fall.
Go back under your thing, dude. No, you're not burrowing. There you go. Sometimes they need help. They're a little special. You guys get herping and a show. Boom.
You're welcome.
Next clip, timber rattlesnake. Go.
Right there. You can grab it.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Got you. Well, that's a tiny one.
Little bitty guy.
He's not even orange.
Little bitty guy. And this is at the National Nature Center.
Yeah.
There's chock-a-block full of these things. And there's one that's just floating. He's just chilling.
There's another one floating.
There's big tadpoles in here too.
Nice. This guy's got big orange spots.
Yeah, he does.
Let's put him back.
And on that one, I'm gonna end it. Because I don't have it in me to flip anything else at all. I think I'm actually herped out. I didn't think that was possible. I just gotta build up my tolerance. And we've only been out here, what, 2 hours?
2 hours.
2 hours, and that's all
We
we
found so many animals.
So many animals, it's ridiculous. But anyway, if you guys want to check out the rest of part 1, parts that I didn't have in my vlog, go check out Lucas at Lucas's Lizards.
Yep.
And I'll have that video link in the description. And he's got parts of part 2 in there too that I didn't have in this one. So be sure to check that out. And if you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe. Check out the videos, obviously. And I reckon I will see you guys tomorrow. Oh gosh, I need sleep and a shower.